Hello everyone, I will guide you through creating this 2D shape in AutoCAD. Today's tutorial, I will review each step very slowly so that even you are a beginner, you can follow along easily. I have included a PDF with a dimension for practice purposes, link in the description box. So you can download this 2D diagram and also AutoCAD file from description box. So let's get started. Step 1. Set up your workspace. Open your AutoCAD drawing, press on Start Drawing, set your unit to millimeter by typing unit command units unit, press enter, select millimeter, length type decimal, insertion scale millimeter, press OK. Adjust the grid snap setting as per your drawing. Now we are going to start drawing. So step second, draw the outer circle. Need to draw two circles. First one is a radius 15, then second one inner circle, it will be radius 10. So now we are going to press C for activate circle command, create a circle radius 15, enter. Again we are going to create second circle, it will be inner circle. So now create inner circle, it will be 10 radius. Now we need to copy this both circle, CP for copy command, and downside direction it will be 50. Step 3, we are going to create this connect circle, this one arc circle, just like a rainbow, just like to connect the large circle we will add arc at the top and bottom with a radius 30. You can add arc command, otherwise you can add circle command, circle tangent circle. So now C for circle, TTR for tangent radius, first tangent point, second tangent point, and put the radius value as a 30. Now we are going to trim this one. Select arc circle using mirror command for mirror opposite side, MI for mirror. Click on center point to center point. Press no because of we will not going to erase the main object, source object. So now you are going to press no. So if you see this first part almost complete, if you erase this one. So now TR double enter, trim, and this one trim. So this part almost done. So ensure that the arcs are tangent both side larger circle. You can use the tangent snap, make sure the arc connect perfectly. So now otherwise you can use both circles, arc and all. Command CO for copy and just press a point and use copy value as a 80 and press escape. So now step 4. Now we need to create the curve that goes between two sides in the center with a radius of 30. So use arc command and set the radius 30. Make sure your arc is tangent in the inner curves of smooth connections. So arc command, I recommend you can use circle as a tangent circle. C for circle, TTR enter, first point, second point, and put a value 30, press enter. Again select this circle. Now using mirror command, MI enter, click on center point and to center point and erase. He asked me erase source object, so we are going to press no. Now step 6, clean up extra lines, circles if needed. If you can use trim tool, remove unnecessary line, unnecessary circles and curves to clear loop. TR for trim command, first point, first circle and second circle. Sketch are going to complete. We need to add dimensions. So you can activate for measurement of circle, dimension radius, DRA enter, first circle, again click on second circle. Same as DRA enter for these circles and also for these circles. If you need to make measurement from one circle to second circle, so DLI for dimension linear command, first point to second point and put a value outside. Again same as DLI for dimension linear for outside circle, outside to outside it will be 80, and now inside just using press enter to activate same command. Okay, almost complete. For a clear visualization, you can add thickness on your shape. So now we are going to select all these shapes and press shift to deselect these dimensions and need to add thickness. So you need to go on properties, and here is the add line thickness. It will be 30 to 40, 35. It's okay. So now if you check everything, it's fine, and that's it. You have now created a complex shape in AutoCAD step by step. So don't forget to check the PDF file in the description box for dimension if you want to practice more. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit bell icon to stay updated more tutorial. So thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.